Hi guys, and welcome to Meccano Creations. So today I will be doing a short review of this Erector Evolution Jeep set. I threw away the box and the packaging, but kept this cover art for the box, which you can see here. So this one is a relatively larger set than the quad bike, and this one has around 310 parts and builds two models, but only one at a time. The build time for this model is again around 1.5 to 2 hours depending upon your experience, and I didn't find a manual in this set. I'm not sure which this was intended or it was missing during packaging. So these days all the manuals are available online on the Meccano site, and it is a good step I feel to reduce the paper consumption. But this being an old set, you wouldn't be finding this listed on the Meccano site. Fortunately, all of the Meccano manuals these days are archived online. I will be putting in the link for this in the description. You can visit that site and download all the original Meccano manuals, some of which were from the 1930s even. So coming back to this model, as you can see, it is quite a nice model which resembles an off-roading Jeep or an adventure Jeep. It has a working steering mechanism which you can operate manually. The steering is a bit sensitive, but it works well. The steering is controlled from the back, as you can see here, which in turn moves the plastic universal gears and turns this crank. It also has a working winch. This again operates manually, so you can use this universal gears to operate this winch. So it has got some play value there. I wished this model was motorized, that would have been interesting, but nevertheless it is a decent model and looks very nice. In terms of details, it has these side mirrors and a simulated steering wheel on the left side, which is nice. This set also provides these side panels as well as some plastic parts to resemble the front and the rear lights. So another positive for this model is the color combination. I do like this combination of red and black, and it matches nicely with the type of theme this is. So overall, a lot of positives for the set. I do hope that you have enjoyed viewing this model and the review. Do let me know if you have any queries or comments. So with that, I would be ending this video, and till we meet next time, stay safe and goodbye.